Hi Glam fan, before I get into this tutorial, I wanted to show you swatches of the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I love you guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna get into the Soft Glam palette. I know I'm a little late. It's better late than never, right? So here we go, we're about to open it up. We're gonna do a nice soft glam on this rainy in Florida Saturday afternoon. I have used it. It's not a first time.
We're just gonna take a nice big glop. We're gonna get this done today fast, okay? I'm just gonna spread it on our eyes. I do both at the same time. And then I take my brush, my trusty double-sided Lexi brush that I got from Ipsy, and I'm just gonna rub it in.
Soda.
And buff it out into the crease, like so. You know the drill, windshield wiper motions. I'm not blending out. Hit the side. These are such good shadows that you don't even really have to go crazy trying to blend them out.
We're gonna take the crease brush side and let's see, I'm winging it, you know? We're gonna lay this into the crease. Then we're gonna go back with the blender side and smooth it all out. No lines. Okay, we're gonna do it on the other side. Take the blender side and show wiper motions. Make sure you concentrate on those ends. Take it corner to corner. Coast to coast, baby, coast to coast. I wanna go into the sienna color right here. And we're gonna take that right on top of where we put rustic. We're gonna blend it out. In the comment section down below if you'd like me to do other looks with this palette. I'd be more than happy to do that. Let's do it the lid. We're gonna go into the gold shade right here, which is called bronze, even though it looks more like a gold. We're gonna stick our finger in there. See? Look at that. That's beautiful. We're gonna tap it all over our lid. We're gonna go around it so we blend out all those lines. And look at that magic. Okay, to use this elf brush. You guys know that if you watch other videos, make sure it's clean. It is. And I'm gonna go into this color Tempera. And we're gonna highlight the brow bone. Don't worry, because here's the fix. Look at that. And you can just make it match with the top shade. Inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go into Tempera again. Bring it right there. That's it. Contour, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. I forgot to swatch this earlier, so I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It shimmers, but it doesn't have glitter. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I like to go in with this brush. I got this at TJ Maxx for $3.99, but it's so soft and it's so perfect for contouring. I'm gonna swirl it in, do a tap, catch that bronzer right here in circular motions and bring it all around. Other side. It's so finely milled, so well made, that it just seeps into the skin. You don't even have to do a lot of blending. Okay, so we're done with that. And it smells like chocolate. The thing where I had to go get it. So I got the Super Orgasm, but do you see that? All that glitter? But it's okay, because it doesn't really show up. And we're gonna tap that right above the contour. Just tap. We're gonna do it on the other side. And I feel like this glitter gives you a radiance, so it's not that bad. Okay. Then we can take a clean brush if you feel like you don't want all that oomph. Take a clean powder brush, and you can blend it in with the contour. Just give it an all-over blend. And that's it, done. Easy peasy. Go from Bite Beauty, and lately I'm loving this combo. These are both by Bite Beauty. It came in the combo. And this is like a lip crayon, but I like it because you can line your lips with it. Some YouTubers do their lips last. Sometimes I do my lips last, but today I'm gonna do it first, and there's a reason for it. Lippy, same color. It's just to fill in the whole lips, and it makes your lips feel so moisturized. Let me know what you guys think about this color. I love it, so. Okay. I want to do mascara, but I have a surprise, so I don't want to do mascara first. Somebody's trying to come in my room. So today's highlighter is, you probably guessed it, the Amrezy. It's beautiful. Take my It's Really Clean but Looks Like It's Dirty beauty blender. I want to go inside the waves because I don't want to mess it up. And we're gonna, this is like nothing I own, literally. Look at that. Oh, Pierre fan brush. Excuse me while I blind you. But do you guys see that? Is that not just the most stunning wet look? People say, oh, it's not as blinding as I thought. No, what they mean is it's not, it's like a neutral champagne gold, but it is blinding. This is like Instagram photo blinding, and I don't have any filter here. Then I'm gonna take my fan brush, tap it, and I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose. And why not the Cupid's bow? So I just wanted to do that for y'all today. I want to bathe in this. I'm not even kidding. It's just so gorgeous. It really is. So I love this. I'm gonna go into that Cypress Usher again, Umber, Cypress Umber. And I'm just gonna easily take it and smoke it under the lash. See? Beautiful. Look at that highlighter. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry if you can't see now. Sorry if you can't continue to watch my video because the highlighter's so blinding. I'm gonna go back in Cypress Umber and finish the other eye. I am gonna include swatches in this video of the entire Soft Glam palette so you can see how they swatch. The Tarte Amazonian. We're done. Isn't that easy? Like, what did that take? If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to, so you can be a part of the Glam fam. I upload definitely every Tuesday and Wednesday, but sometimes I do a bonus video, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. I love you guys. Be your best you. Peace.